My dear students, good morning. In this subject, maintenance or rehabilitation structures, one of the important topic is identification of various damages to the masonry structures. The proper identification of damages and understanding of damages to structures is very important. After proper understanding, then only we could suggest proper methodology for rehabilitation or restoring of the structure or replacement of the entire structure. Those decisions we have to take based on the conditions of the existing structure. These are the various types to the masonry structures. The first damage, it is because of moisture and water damage. If the moisture is persistent, then water infiltration is persistent. Obviously, it will lead to the deterioration of concrete the reinforcement bars in RC structures. It will lead to the corrosion and as well as it will cause efflorescence of the in the structure. The second damage we could notice is moist mortar joint deterioration. It is because of erosion and joint failure from the weathering and freezing thaw cycles. The third damage is brick spalling. Surface breakdown from salt crystallization and moisture expansion of forces which leads to the brick spalling from the structure. Then masonry cracks. In fact, we can notice the various types of cracks in our existing infrastructure. In my previous video, I explained already what are the various types of cracks, what are the technologies that are available to address those cracks already explained. If you have not watched that video, I recommend strongly to watch those two videos. For example, we could notice the cracks at corners, at horizontal, especially at lintels, diagonal at openings. It is because of from the settlement. These are the coming under cracks in my masonry. Then another type of damaged and another type of uh, negative point what we notice in our structure is efflorescence. It is nothing but white salt deposits on the surface of the our existing structures. For example, this white deposit may goes up to 1 to 3 mm thick. Okay, so proper maintenance is very much important to avoid the efflorescence. Then spalling. So facing layer separating hollow areas begin the exterior facing leads to the spalling in the structure. Then another important negative point what we notice in our structure is staining. This is also called as discoloration. It is purely because of biological growth or rust stains or differential weathering. Then another damage is joint recession. Master joints resist below brick face, reducing weather protection. So, my dear students, let us understand the various types of damages, especially in the masonry, so that we could address these problems effectively by implementing suitable technologies. That's it. Thank you.